Well, these are the guts of my dividing head, which is waiting a rebuild at some stage in the future. I think you can see why it's unlikely to be of much use anytime soon. The worm is really quite badly rusted, as is the worm gear. This thing had got filled up with coolant and left standing, and then someone had dismantled it and absolutely packed it full of grease in order to get some sucker to buy it. But anyway, on to the end float problem. It's coming a little bit tighter here. See, with the gear normally sits up to this shoulder, and there's a locking, a bearing retaining that there. At the front you've got a thrust washer, and at the back you've got a thrust washer, and the nut on the end, and you can see mine's a different style, adjusts the float, but this washer has a notch and is driven by a peg, and if you don't get them aligned, you've got a gap and you're not going to be able to take up the end float. So I think there's a possibility that that is what's going on.